Hello! So today we're gonna be moving my stuff from my apartment. It's a mess. I need to take the cushions and put things in plastic bags. Have some friends coming over to help. My fiance can't make it today because he's waiting for IKEA packages at his apartment or our apartment. Yeah, it's still new to me to be saying those things. But yeah, if you want to follow up the process, let's continue. This video is sponsored by VIVAIA. You know I've been using VIVAIA shoes for years. I made a video, I will link it in the cards, about my review of wearing it for almost 2 years. They have sent me this new Aria model, and oh my god, this updated version of this shoe is super comfortable. The baseline for it is orthopedically approved. Definitely, you know the drill. VIVAIA shoes are made out of recycled materials, specifically recycled water bottles. Look at these loafers. I got these loafers as well in this new color. I love loafers, and this has like a little bit of a heel. And last but not least, my absolute favorite knee-length black boots. I love these. I had ones before from Stuart Weitzman, and they got ruined because I used to wear them in very hard weather conditions, but these are washable and beautiful. So let's have a quick look at the apartment once I moved everything to it. This is how it looked. This is like a very quick apartment tour after we moved the stuff to the apartment. I will do an updated apartment tour after we have designed the apartment to fit our lifestyle. But this is like a quick look. Definitely all of this happened a while ago. I moved here in May. Sorry for the delay, but everything was crazy and I wanted to take a break from social media, specifically from the YouTube platform. I apologize for all of that.